Let's make these cute little journals. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to cut apart our transfer. Once we have your transfer cut apart, you're going to carefully remove it from its backer sheet. You're going to place it on the towel to pick up some of the fuzz. Then we're going to place it on our journal. Smooth out the air. Take your squeegee, load it up with chalk paste, and carefully scrape the chalk paste across the transfer. Carefully peel off the transfer, put it in a water bath, and then we're going to repeat this process on the other two journals. Fuzz, 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 pick up the lint. Then we're going to place it on the journal, smooth out any air that you may have, load up your chalk paste on your squeegee, scrape it across, put it in the water bath. Same thing. Carefully remove from the backer sheet, fuzz, 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 place it on the journal, smooth out the air, scrape your chalk paste across, carefully remove, place it in the water bath. And you've got them done. Great job! Now we're going to clean up. So you're going to take a baby wipe and you're going to wipe everything off. Wipe off your stir stick, wipe off your squeegee, close up your chalk paste. And now it's time to wash our transfers. So we're going to carefully move our journals out of the way so we don't get them wet. Let's wash off our transfers. So you're going to just rub off any chalk paste that might be on them while they're in the water. And then you're going to carefully place them, and I would put them right on the towel. What you're going to do is you're going to place them on the towel and you're just going to pat them dry. Once you've got them pat dry, then you're just going to place them right back on their backer sheet, and they're good to go to be used over and over again to make all kinds of different projects. I hope you've enjoyed making these, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks!